How to manage Netflix profiles and parental controls. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can manage your parental controls and your user profiles. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Netflix. You can go to netflix.com, and after you're there, what you'll then need to do is you'll see your users somewhat like this. After that, you'll find the manage profiles options as well. Tap on manage profiles. After you tap on manage profiles, you can then tap on this icon that is like a pen. That's basically an edit icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you can then scroll down. Right there, from here, you can manage the profile. You can delete the profile from here. You can transfer it. You can see the privacy and settings, your name and stuff like that. What you'll need to do is you can head over to adjust parental controls. And after you're here, you can then confirm your user. And from there, you can basically change your, edit your maturity ratings and title restrictions. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.